Today is Monday, September 15th, 2025, and it's been a while since I posted a video, mostly because it was the weekend and there wasn't really much to talk about anyway. But today I am basically flat, slightly down, but my Roth IRA is actually back up to 1600, 2.75%. And this is on a day where the NASDAQ has also been doing pretty good, up over 0.86%. And just to give a quick update to my transactions, I believe I already covered these on the bottom, but I did go ahead and buy a little bit more of that REIT that I've been liking. And I did go ahead and sell another covered call on Robinhood, and I've got some more dividends coming on the way. Speaking of VFC, they actually announced that I believe they're going to sell off Dickies for $600 million in cash. And honestly, I'm pretty indifferent about it. I don't really know too much about the Dickies brand. I don't really wear it or buy it, so I can't really speak on it. But it was just something that was on the news in relation to one of my stocks. As you guys can see, those are the option positions that I have open right now. And if we scroll down to some of these stock performances, you'll notice that my top stocks are either slightly down or just not really doing much at all. But then as we get closer to some of the bottom stocks, we have Honest up almost 3% today, SoFi 5%. We have Google that was also up almost 5% today, Lemonade up over 9%. And of course, some of these stocks are making my today's standouts list. We have QQQ, which is just to compare all these stocks to. We have Tesla that was up about 5% today on the news that Elon is buying his own stock. And this is giving me those 2021 vibes again. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And we also have Opendoor that has officially made my biggest regrets list because Opendoor has performed tremendously. Look at this stock, man. Just look at this. In 3 months, it's up over 1,500%. Literally, if you had $50 in this stock, it is now $960 in just 3 months. Tremendous outperformance by Opendoor, and it is kind of a missed opportunity for me because looking back at some of their numbers, I believe they were trading at 50 cents a share while their cash per share is $1 or was $1, right? So that, I mean, I should have kept my eyes open and been on the lookout. But I guess I missed that opportunity. I mean, it was 50 cents a share, but their cash per share was $1. So, or maybe it was their tangible book value. But either way, that's significantly undervalued, or it was. But now it seems like there's a short squeeze on it. So I'm not really going to touch it, but it has officially made my biggest regrets list. And even though I don't think we're too overvalued yet, I don't think we're at that FOMO hype peak of 2021 I guess moment yet, but I do think we are going to eventually get there pretty soon. But like I said, those IPOs are slowly rolling out, right? We're starting to see those Elon tweets, and I'm not saying Elon always tweets at the top or anything like that, but I'm just saying in general, like all of these things happening at the same time, they're kind of giving me those 2021 vibes. But definitely would not be shorting this market because, like I said, we could still see a lot more upside. We could see small caps catching a bid. We can see stocks like Robinhood still go up to like 130. And also with all of these short squeezes happening like Opendoor, it's just not really a market that I would like to short. But I do think we are slowly creeping to that point of super FOMO. All these IPOs coming out, all these cryptos coming out. And I've been seeing a lot more screenshots on X of people bragging, showing off their portfolios, which is a good thing because a lot of you guys are making money. But like I said, it's usually a signal of a top. I've seen people put more money in Robinhood, put more money in Bitcoin today, which is, I'm not a Bitcoin expert, but I don't think right now would be the absolute best time to buy Bitcoin. It's just my personal opinion. We've got a lot of people FOMOing into stocks like Open Door, and even CEOs. I believe Open Door, their CEO bought their own stock. We have Tesla, Elon Musk buying his own stock. So definitely, we could still see a lot more of a squeeze, but I don't like this FOMO that's going on. Or maybe I do, because that means we're going to enter a bear market. A lot of stocks are going to be cheap again. I'll be able to scoop up some more opportunities, because I won't lie to you guys. It's been kind of hard to look for these opportunities, even though they are there. Like Open Door, for example, 3 months ago, that should have been an obvious buy for me, but it wasn't. It is what it is. Just gotta play the cards that I've been dealt, and right now, Robinhood is my number one position, so I'm just gonna have to roll with it. Sell some covered calls on it, of course. And you guys already know Cava is on this list because it is a company that I'm keeping an eye on. I don't know if I'm gonna be buying it right now, but I am keeping an eye on it.